If you don't want to wait and you want to see results fast or immediately, then this video is exactly what you need because today I'm going to show you an absolutely free app that will pay you instantly for free. Just click on email so you can register for free. They will start sending you emails. You click on those emails and you immediately get paid. And that's why this is going to be perfect for those that have never made any money online before, because this requires no skills, no selling, so you won't have to sell anything. No affiliate marketing, no investment, and it works in so many countries, including India, Pakistan, the Philippines, United States, Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria, UK, Australia, and more. Now, there's one common mistake that most users make, and because of that one simple mistake, they can't make any money, and the app doesn't work for them. So, if you want to learn how to avoid that mistake in order to make this work for you, and make sure to follow all the stats from this video and stay until the end. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do before we get to the website is to create an email address. Now I guess all of you guys already have at least like one email address that you use. But if you don't have, you can just use Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook or any other email service you like. So your first step would be just to download Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. You can just download it to your smartphone device. If you are on a computer or a laptop, then you can just go over, for example, to gmail.com and just sign up for absolutely free. The point is, you just have to create an email address, sign into the Windows email providers, and create an email account for absolutely free. So you can see you can do so by entering your first name, your last name, creating a unique username and password, confirming the same password, and just clicking next, and that's it. You have an account, you have an email address, and once again, you have just created it for free. Then you will come over to this website, but let me just show you this. This is like proof of earnings. You can see people from all over the world, from India, Brazil, Sweden, Argentina, Venezuela, Brazil, Togo, Mexico, Russia, once again Brazil, Philippines, Pakistan, and so on and so forth. They're all being paid instantly, as you can see. Now these are their earnings. Every single minute. You get instant payments to people from all over the world. Now you really want to stay tuned until the end of the video, so I will show you which mistake you must avoid to actually start making money for real. Because if you just go straight to the website and you try to figure it out on your own, then you will probably make a mistake and that this will not work for you. Or it will take you a long time to figure out what exactly needs to be done. So I think it's a little better to just stick around with me, and it's gonna be really fun process. And by the way, at the end of this video, you'll be ready to start making money and get paid instantly. So the website that we are talking about here is called clicksgenie.com. Right here, as you can see, you get paid to read emails and you can make up to 0.042 for every email you click on. So you click once, you get paid, you click twice, you get paid, and so on and so forth. As you can see, it's really friendly. It's a friendly interface. You're gonna be able to see because I'm going to log into my account. You can see exactly how it works and exactly how to make money with this. You have multiple earnings options. They have multiple level commissions, and you can earn more money with this multiple level commissions. ClicksGenie is safe and secure to use. They use two-factor authentication and it's really transparent. All your earnings can be tracked and verified inside your account area. And now, of course, the main reason we are using ClicksGenny is because it's super fast, it pays instantly, and then ClicksGenny site loads in less than 1 second. So it is mobile friendly and super fast, which means you can install this app to your smartphone devices, you can use it from your phone, and you can get paid instantly. All payments on this website are instant. You request the payout, you are paid in minutes. And that really makes this website unique. But once again, there's one mistake that you must avoid if you want to make it work for you, so stay tuned to see what that is. Don't go straight to the website and you can see that a 1 cent is a minimum payout. Your first minimum payout is just 1 cent. And that is actually really good because that requires just 2 clicks and you get paid. Like you click twice, you get paid instantly. Multiple payment options, you can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money instantly. Now, ClicksGenie is really 100% safe and secure. You can see proof of earnings right here by clicking on proofs over here. So basically, all you need to do is come over to clicksgenie.com and click register right here. So you can create an absolutely free account. And now you'll just need to enter your username. So create something unique, type some unique username right here, then enter your email address, the one you have previously created, or your existing email, or your main email address. It really doesn't matter at all, actually, but that's gonna be one where you will be receiving emails from ClicksGenny, where you will be needing to click in the email and then you get paid instantly. So just answer that email address right here, create a password, create something unique, and confirm by retyping the same password from here. And you can leave this blank. After that, you just need to accept these terms of service and you will need to accept their privacy policy, which you can read right here too. And then just accept it right here. Then if you want to receive some marketing communication from them, you can click on this box as well and then just click register. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to receive an email from ClicksGenie. You want to click on the activation link right here. You'll be redirected to the login page where you will click I'm not a robot and then complete the action like verify and just log into your account. So this is how the brand new account is gonna look like. You're gonna be able to track your earnings right here, and once you start making some money, you can withdraw your money by clicking on the withdraw button right here. So you just click withdraw and you can get paid instantly. And if you have some friends that would benefit from this, if you have some friends that would like to make some money online, then you can grab your referral link from here, just click copy and it's gonna copy your referral link. You can send it to some of your friends, and if they register for the ClicksGenie, you also get some money from them. So that's some extra free income which you can make while being on ClicksGenie. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, here's the really most important part and the mistake that probably like all users make. When they come on to ClicksGenie, they just register. They go to their account, they activate it, and they just, sit right there, like waiting to start making money. But they will not start making money unless they go back to their email address. You must go back to Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. Just log into your email account, and then you will see the second email from ClicksGenie that says, Important welcome to ClicksGenie must read. So you need to click on that email and then just follow these steps that they've sent you. So here's what they tell you to do. They tell you to click on these 3 dots right here and you click on add ClicksGenie to contact list. But if you do so, if you try to do that, you will probably not be able to do it. You can find the button that says add ClicksGenie to contact list. So here's what you need. Here's what they don't tell you. So you need to click on these dots, these 9 dots right here, Google Apps, click on that, and then you want to find contacts right here. Click on that and then it will open up another page where you can see your Google contacts, and now Here in the left side, you will click create contact. That is really important. Follow these steps, and if you want to make money from this, you need to create a contact right here. Now we'll need to enter the first name and then the last name. So we will be in Genie. So I'll type in Genie right here. Then you can enter the company name if you want, and then you will just need to add their email address. You will copy their email address, which you can find right here, contact@clickgenie.com, and you will paste it right here. Now we can enter their phone numbers if you want to. If not, you can leave that blank and just click save, and that's it. Now they will start sending you emails, and all you need to do is just click on those emails and you will get paid. And you can track your earnings here on Clicks Genie. This is a brand new account, that's why it says 0. But once you start receiving emails and once you start clicking on those emails, you will be paid right here. And then you can withdraw your money instantly. Now, if you're wondering why they're actually paying you, well, because once they send you an email, it's probably gonna be some ad and then some money from that click because advertisers pay for those ads. And so it's a win-win situation actually. And it's pretty genius. So that's how you can get paid instantly from your phone. Install the Clicks Jenny, install Gmail, sign up for absolutely free, and start making money. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and see you all in some of the next videos.